Welcome again in English class, children. I hope you all are having a good time at your home and doing your studies also. Today's lesson is lesson 1, use of A and N. Before starting the lesson, let us revise. English alphabet has 26 letters. We know all the 26 letters from A to Z. Here you can see some letters are written in red. They are called vowels. They are A, E, I, O, U. As you can see, children, A, E, I, O and U. They are the vowels, and rest of the letters, 21 letters, are called consonants. Now, before starting the lesson, just remember all the 5 vowels A, E, I, O, U. So, where will you use the A? We use A before a word which begins with a consonant sound. That means all the letters that are given in blue, they are the consonants. So if a word begins with the consonant sound, we use A before it. Like bat, it starts with B, so we are using A before it. Table, it starts with T, so we are using A before it. Chair, C, so use A before it. Girl, G, use A before it. Book, a book. Horse, it starts with H, so a horse. Now children, as you can see, a unicorn, a useful book. They are starting with U, but we are using A before it. Why? Because if a word is pronounced with a long U sound or Y O U sound, then we use A before it. Like unicorn, it is having the sound of U. Useful, it is having the sound of U. So we have to use A before all these words. A 1 rupee note, it has the W sound, not the O sound. So W is a consonant, so we are using A before a 1 rupee note. So children, these are the two exceptions that we use. Here we have to use A before a vowel also. Now, where we will use an? We use an before a word beginning with a vowel sound. If a word starts with a vowel sound, then we use an before it. Like egg, it starts with E, so we have to use an before it. Owl, because it is starting with O, so we have to use an before it. Igloo, I, so an. Apple, because starting with A, so we have to use an. Umbrella, so it is starting with U, so we are using an. You see, umbrella, it is not starting with the U sound, it is starting with sound, sound, so that's why we are using an before it. Ice cream, so ice cream is also having an before it. Now, it is also having one exception here, like are honest. As you can see, they are starting with H letter, but we are using an before it. An honest man. Why? Because H is silent in these words, and they are pronounced as R, so having the sound of O. Honest, it is also having the sound of O, not the H. We are not saying it honest or hour. It is called hour and honest, having the sound of O, not the H. So here we have to use an before these words. Now there are some exercise that you have to do. It is given in your books also. Egg. What will you write before egg? An. Big egg. It is starting with the B sound now. So, a big egg. Apple. Apple, before apple, what you have to use? An. Red apple. So, here you have to use a red apple. Lion. A lion. Angry lion. Angry, A is starting with A. Sorry, angry is starting with A. So what will you use? An angry lion. Boy with the B letter. So a boy. Honest boy. Remember the exception that is there. Honest. We are not saying it honest. So honest. An honest boy. Man. A man. Old man. So an old man. Actor. Having the A letter. An actor. Great actor. A great actor. So children, I hope you all have understood this. Let's do one more exercise. Fill in the blanks. I have an apple. Eagle is dash a bird. Dash bird. An eagle is a bird. Dash eye has dash lid. An eye has a lid. Dash fly is dash insect. A fly is an insect. Dash banana is dash fruit. A banana is a fruit. Here you have to use A at both the blank places because no word is starting with the vowel. Dash cow, a cow is animal, an animal. Elephant, it is starting with the E sound word, E letter. So an elephant has a trunk. Mohan has dash sweet orange. A sweet orange, not the an sweet orange, because sweet is starting with the S letter. Now you have to do some home assignment. You have to fill in the A and an at these places. A fly is dash insect, an insect. Do the rest of the exercise. An axe is dash tool. Dash cake is dash food item. A book is dash thing. The tiger is dash animal. The lily is dash flower. A church is dash building. You have to write A and an in these blank spaces. And the next assignment is you have to draw and color these things. An ice cream, draw an ice cream here. An umbrella, draw an umbrella here. A banana, a cake, a flower, and an egg. So children, draw these things. I hope you all have understood the use of A and an, where you have to use A and where you have to use an. Enjoy your holidays and do your studies also. Thank you.